Okay, here's the next project. This is a white pearl Scion FRS that's going to be changing colors into this 3M black rose. As you can see here, this 3M black rose is a color shifting film that goes from black to this nice red color when the sun hits it, and it's going to look amazing. I want to thank all you guys for being my sponsors and allowing me to wrap your cars and making it look even cooler, because you can only go fast sometimes, but you can look good all the time. So let me know if you want a color change, and keep a lookout on this project. So now let's cue up the time lapse, and here we go. Okay, so here's just a quick video of how a BRZ is wrapped. FRS, Toyota 86, you know. So here, this part right here, you literally can't really go in that deep. Unless you put a lot of wrap glue, it's not gonna look very good. Over time, it's just gonna fail. So when you do this thing, you want to, it's so bright, okay. Yeah, maybe that's better, okay. So when you do this thing, you want to cut along this edge right here, and then along this edge right here, and then so once you do that, you could knifeless it. So you technically should knifeless it twice, once when you put the big piece on, and then once again to do the little piece, or you do a little inlays first, whichever you prefer. On this one, I did the big piece first, and then I did the little inlay. So you look very closely. See here, there's a seam right there, but this color blends so well that you will never see this seam ever. You can feel it, but you can't see it. And then here, there's no badge in the front. This one came with no grill. I think he's putting in a new grill. So what I ended up doing was I only made it down to here, and then it's just so cold that the wrap tore. So I mean, technically, if it's summertime, you can just make a cut, one line, and then you can do this all in one piece technically. But you do have a chance of failing right down here when you push it in that far. So I ended up just doing a seam right there. You can't really see that. That kind of flows with the body line. And so yes, the bottom piece is a different piece. So here is the other side. Looks nice and clean. The tucker tool allowed me to tuck all the way in to here without having to take this light thing off. So that's how you save time, is if you basically avoid taking as much off as possible. I did take the door handles and stuff off, so where you have to, depending on the wrap. This piece is kind of hard right here, just because I did that on the car. So okay, anyway, let's go do the other side. Okay, here is the 3M Black Rose in the FRS, fully done. Out in the daylight, it's about 7:30 in the morning, so the sun's not quite up all the way yet, so you can't get the full color shift effect, but you can see a little bit there. Okay, this is a very nice, there you go. You can see the color shift there. How nice that looks. It's got a nice big exhaust down here. It's gonna get some aero pieces, diffusers and whatnot. There it is, guys.